And when I took this decision to join the TMC, and when I took this decision, a lot of my close friends, my dear, near supporters, मुंगेले मुझ बरो भोंताय ते, मुंगे family, my fan following, I कोणा confidence थोड्या जाणां confidence again, due to different conditions, we took a decision to join the Trinamool Congress. When I took this decision, I hurt a lot of people. I hurt my friends, I hurt my well-wishers, I hurt my family, I hurt my close friends. Without even a word, my constituents, my strong supporters, they hurt zale. I took this decision, we took this decision in the interest of my people, because I was promised a new dawn. I thought there would be a lot of changes in the system, because we always look up to changes in the system. आम सदां लोकां पासत झगडले, आम सदां लोकांगे इश्यू घेवन असेंब्ली झगडले, आमी असेंब्लीन काम केलां, कोणाच्यान कितें उलोवं, कोणाच्यान कांय प्रूव करूं जायना आमचेर. आमी जेन्ना झगडले, आमी खाडीज आनी मोहन घेवन झगडले. तरी आसतना आमी डिसिजन घेयलें, म्हाका दिसलें हांवें बरें डिसिजन घेयलें म्हणून, एक इंट्रस्ट ऑफ माय पीपल, मुगे लोकां लागून कितें बरें जाता म्हणून, मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जावं गोंयचे पासत. हें डिसिजन घेयलें आनी तरी आसतना हितू म्हाका बॅकलॅश आसतना, हितू म्हाका द वे आय डीड इट, म्हाका हितू बॅकलॅश. तरी आसतना आय टूक अ डिसिजन. मुगे स्ट्रॉंग सपोर्टरांनी मुजे बरोबर रावले, म्हाका सपोर्ट दिलो. आमी गेले मुखार वयता आसतना आमकां म्हणूंक लागले लोक जायत जाण भोंवता आसतना, अरे तुमी बायल पार्टी कितें हाडटाय, तुमी वोट कितें स्प्लीट कोत्ताय, तुमी दुसऱ्याक फायदो कोन्न दितले, हें तुमी कित्याक कोत्ताय. सो म्हाका दिसलें आमी सदां ग्रावंडार भोंवपी मनीस, आमी लोकांगे पाल्स घेवपी मनीस, आमी लोकां बरोबर रावपी मनीस, लोकांगे एक सामान्य मनशा बरोबर हात बोट तेंगे जिवितांत घालपी मनीस. म्हाका खंय तर दिसलें दॅट आय हॅव टू रिथिंक. काल मागीर हाजे ओपिनियन पोल डे बरो दिसाक जायत जाण मुगे सपोर्टर येयले. जे सपोर्टर मुजे बरोबर तीक आनी तीन रावले, येयले मुजे बोले आनी म्हाका म्हणूंक लागले तूं हें डिसिजन पड घेयलां तें तूं रिथिंक कर, आनी खंय तरी तुवें काँग्रेस पार्टी कडेन पत्ते वचपा जाय म्हणूंक लागले. हांवें कांय म्हणून हांवें आयकिल्लें तें गेलें. आनी स्टेप नंबर 1 म्हणटे पयस फर्दर बिफोर आय से एनीथिंग. When I hurt a lot of people due to my decision, which was, due to, wrong judgment, दर मुगे मिस्टेक जाल्या, हांव सॉरी म्हणटा मुगे सगळ्या लोकांक. जे लोकांनी मुजे एक ट्रस्ट दवरलेलो, हांव काळजांतल्यान सॉरी म्हणटा. जे लोकांनी मुजे एक ट्रस्ट दवरलेलो, जो मुजे एक तेणी विश्वास दवरलेलो, खंय तरी तेंका हांवें हर्ट केलें. हांवें सगळें सांगूंक मेळना म्हाका, पूण थोड्या जाणां हांवें सांगिल्लें. हांव सॉरी म्हणटा. जे मुगे सगळे स्ट्रॉंग सपोर्टर्स आहाय तेंकां कुडतरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या, प्लस मुगे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स मुजे बरोबर भोंवताले, तेंकां देखून थोड्यांक सांगून हांवें. मुगे फॅमिली मेंबर्स, मुगे हितू फॅन फॉलोईंग, हें डिसिजन पडे हांवें तेंकां पडे हर्ट केलां, तेंकां हांव सॉरी म्हणटा, काळजांतल्यान सॉरी म्हणटा. आनी तेच भाशेन जे हें डिसिजन घेतरीच मुजे बरोबर रावले, हितू हांदमाल म्हाका, तेंकां हांव एप्रिशिएट करता काळजांतल्यान. पूण हें डिसिजन घेयलो हांवें इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ माय पीपल. म्हाका कितें आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जावं गोंयकारांक, जावं आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी लोकांक, जावं कितें बरें जाता म्हूण. बट भितर तरी कळ्ळें म्हाका कितें भितर तरी कळ्ळें. आनी काल जेन्ना सगळे लोक येयले आनी सगळे म्हणून लागले म्हाका, तूं म्हणपा लागले हें डिसिजन तूं रिथिंक कर. For 20 days I went through what I went through, I only know. But I fought. I fought hard. तेणें म्हाका काँग्रेसीक अलायन्स करया म्हणपा लागले. जाय त्यो सांगिल्ले तेणें म्हाका. प्रॅक्टिकली कांय जायना. सो हे सगळी कोण हांव मुगे लोकांक सॉरी म्हूण आनी मुगे जे मनशांनी म्हाका हात मारला तांकां एप्रिशिएट कोण काळजांतल्यान. आय कॅनॉट फॉरगेट ऑल दीस थिंग्स. इट इज नॉट सो इजी टू गेट सो मच ऑफ सपोर्ट. I am grateful to them, and therefore yesterday we took a decision to resign from the Trinamool Congress. I know I have hurt a lot of people by taking a decision, and I know I am going to have its repercussions. But it is done. आज पासून म्हाका हांवें जेन्ना तो रिजनल जाल्लो पयलो सदां लोकांगे इश्यू घेताले. लोकांगे इश्यू घेताले, लोकांगे आमी इश्यू मांडटाले एसेंब्लींत, एसेंब्ली भायर. तोच म्हाका परतून जावपा जाय. I want to be the same person who people had faith, people had so much trust that I will take up issues. I will fight more for my people of Goa. हांवें डिसिजन घेयलां, सो आमगे लोकां बरोबर हें डिसिजन घेयलां इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी गोंयकारांक. आज गोंयकार चोयता एक बरो गव्हर्मेंट 2022. हो गव्हर्मेंट म्हाका येयलो जायो. आय एम रेडी फॉर एनीथिंग. Even if you remember, I told when I joined the TMC, I had said, we are ready for anything. Again, I am saying, गोंयांत एक 2022 बरो गव्हर्मेंट जायो, लोकां जाय तो. Nobody matters here. Goa matters. Every constituency, my constituency, the highest matter that people have to, at the end, receive some justice for their, for their dreams and aspirations. जेन्ना हांवें भोंवता तेन्ना आनीक वस्त लोक म्हणपा लागले की तुमी ह्यो भायल पार्टी कित्याक हाडटाय काय म्हूण, तुमी कित्याक आनी हें काम कोताय काय म्हूण, कित्याक वोट स्प्लीट कोताय काय म्हूण. तेन्ना आय ऑल्सो फेल्ट that हें पाप मुझे नाका. रिजनल तूं आहलो म्हूण हें करपाक. आनी हें डिसिजन आज पर्यंत हें डिसिजन हांवें घेयलां तें हांवें लोकां लागून घेयलां. आनी हें डिसिजन मुखार पासून लोक सांगत तें करपाचें. लोकां भायर आनी वचप ना, कित्याक हांव सदां डिसिजन घेतालो. हांवें पयलीं सदां डिसिजन घेयलें. लोकां जाय ती डिसिजन घेयलें आनी मुगे मागणें लोकांक. हांवें जाणा हांवें कोणाक हर्ट केलां. हांवें जाणा आय फेल्ट the feeling that I got when I visited the constituency and visited people. My own friends started despising me. My own friends started telling me I'm not going to talk to you even. So all these things made me take this decision, and I will stick to whatever decision my people have told me. My people have told me to see that I join the Congress party. I will listen to my people. My people come first, and there is nothing beyond my people at this point of time. And this is the thickest, this is my Jana Lok Mujwar Itu Ubrawale. I cannot go against the wishes of the people, and we have taken this decision. सी तेदोना म्हाका दिसलोलें की आमी कितें तरी बरें करपा जाय म्हूण, आनी तेदो तें डिसिजन घेयलोलें. आनी हांवें आतां म्हणटे भाशेन वी टूक द डिसिजन टू फॉर अ बेटर डॉन फॉर अ बेटर दीस. बट भितर तरी कळ्ळें आनी लोक उलयता तें इम्पोर्टंट आहा. आमी लिडर कितें कोत्ता तें इम्पोर्टंट ना. आमी पळय लोक कितें कोत्ता तें इम्पोर्टंट आहा म्हूण तेका लागून हें डिसिजन घेयलें. आनी हांवें चड कोणाक क्रिटिसायज करूं ना. I criticize only few issues. कोणाक क्रिटिसायज करूं ना. So मुगे मागणें आहा की that we have to take this decision in the interest of my people and my state. आनी जे लोकां जाय तें करपाक मुखार सरपाकू पडटलें. कित्याक भोंवता आसतना तें कितें जालें लास्ट टायम पळय डिसिजन घेयला हांवें तें वी डी नॉट टेक एवरीबडी इन टू कॉन्सिडरेशन. द सर्कमस्टन्सीस वॉट हॅपन they know and I know. So all those things have boiled down to this situation.
They are ready to take you.
See, I have just told you my people have told me to join the Congress. So I am on that decision. So I am not going to say anything more, but I feel no. Michael has made a tweet and Michael has said you join the Congress party for the betterment. So beyond that, I don't want to say anything. I will listen to my people. But
Congress should be ready to take any decision.
Michael is a newbie, right?
Michael is a new in party. The same Congress, त्या काँग्रेसीने तुझी मीटिंग घेऊन तुका फोटिंग आणि हे बोलला.
So do you think Congress will gulp that down entire speech what they have criticized you in your own village, Kotar?
See, we will see what decision they take, but it is a decision which will be in the interest of Goa, whatever it is. So I have taken a decision, taking my people into confidence, and my people have told me to go to the Congress party. So I will talk to them and see that I fulfill the aspirations of my people.
That means
leader of opposition are experiment केला based on your decision. State level अगर आता तो विषय काय decision आपण घेऊ ना. Let high command decide म्हणून. So तुझे high command से वाले talks की झालं.
See, at this stage, let us not this. I am waiting for. See, the people have told me to join, so I am on that.
म्हणजे आधी मी आता म्हणलं नाही after TMC join झालं होतं. भीतर की जाते कळलं पण काय करणार what is that? किती कळलं म्हणजे भीतर करता.
What exactly is TMC now?
Suffocation भी जाणतो.
सगळे कळले आता. What exactly? What is their role now in Goa?
See, आमी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी गोंयांत कितें बरें करपाक गेल्ले. So I am not seeing that happening there. See, कितें आसता एक पट कितें सांगप आसता न्ही आनी तें जावप 2-3 वस्त आहाय. See, speaking one thing and doing is another thing. So we want result. आमकां जाय लोकांक कितें बरें जालोलें. So तें म्हाका दिसना जालें. So anyway, आमी लोकल डिसिजन आमी मुखार व्हरताय. We are here and they are saying that Congress party is the option for Goa म्हूण. And that जेन्ना भोंवता आसतना आमकां लोकांनी सांगलां की तुमकां भायल पार्टी नाकाय. तुमी आमगेली पार्टी घेवन रावाय. वोट स्प्लीट करून नाकाय. स्प्लीट केलें जाल्यार तुमी दुसऱ्या फायद दितले.
By inducting you again in a Congress party, don't you think it is going to backfire Congress party itself?
This Congress already had taken their defector and Yopana.
So is it going to affect? Because much is dependent on these things also.
See, I will work. If the party I join, I will work for the party, and I will work sincerely. Let us not dispute that thing, because I don't want to say anything more. But I am just going by what my people are saying.
Have you met any Congress leader after resignation?
expecting them?
I told you just, Michael is in,
No, not Michael. Have you met? Michael is tweeted. Have you met any Congress leaders? Gundu Rao and all?
see, I told you that I'm waiting to make my moves. So let us not, I leave it like that. We have taken a decision, and the decision is like this: that people have told me to resign and join the Congress party.
No, my question is simple. Have
What?
you met any Congress leader? Yes or no?
I told you that this is our decision. In a day or two, you give me some time to at least, let some time pass, no?
No, तू मेळा काय मेळा?
See, म्हाका मेळपान आनी कितें तूं म्हाका प्रेस करता. Let us, have a very conscious. I need to explain which I have done this part.
टीएमसी किती प्रोग्रेस करतो म्हणून गेलो तो किती केस कोण सुधारता टीएमसी काय गव्हर्नमेंट ना एक एमएलए आसलो चर्चिल तेंगे जालो तो एंटर मागीर भितर असेंब्ली ऑलमोस्ट काबार जाल्ली
I thought they would have.
टीएमसी गव्हर्नमेंट हा थिंगा बेंगाला भरपूर टाइम लागता येवपाक
तूं म्हणटा काय रिप्लाय दिना तेका लागून हांव भायर सरलो न्ही. कितें जालें सिस्टम पडे आहा तो सिस्टम तेणी प्रॉमिस केलो तो जावना. सी चेंजीस म्हणटे जावपा जाय. चेंजीस जाता म्हूण कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कितें फायद जाता म्हूण गोंयांक कितें फायद जाता म्हूण आमी गेल्ले बट तें दिसना थिंगा. So we have taken a decision.
So does that mean TMC is fooling people of Goa by promising them a new dawn?
See, let me tell you that people are judges. In my constituency, I felt that the people are not happy with my decision, and I have taken a decision. You cannot, people will come to know what is what, and even that systems पडे हाय तो तेंगेल्यो त्यो कित्यो लोक उलयतलो हांव तेजे उलोवपाक सोदना. But one thing is there. I didn't see what was promised there. That's why, I was expecting a lot of things which I have not seen there. That's why I have, listened to my people. This time the decision is of the people. In my constituency. That's it.
That means
What was the
people of
promise?
Kurtoria are with Congress.
See, people of Kurtori are, what they told me is that it is better. My supporters, I was roaming in the constituency. I was roaming with people. हांव वाडवा मोडा भोंवता आसतना मुगे लोकांक घेवन भोंवता न्ही. तेका वय ते म्हणटाय वी प्रिफर यू. We prefer you on a Congress party. तूं कितें हें करता तूं वोट स्प्लीट करतलो म्हणटाय ते. तेंगे ते कितें म्हणटाय तूं वोट स्प्लीट करून आनी कोणाक फायद पडटा म्हणटाय ते तें कोण नाका. We are there with you म्हणटाय ते. We are with you in person for what work you have done in the constituency. They are with you for whatever you have done for so many years. एक सामान्य मनशां तुवें पडे काम केलां आमी तुजे बारबो आहाय म्हूण. But see if you can avoid this thing. And I have to listen to the people. Finally, a leader has to listen to the people. So I have listened to the people. And
Michael Logan took assurance that he will help you to rejoin Congress.
Rejoin and ticket is the important.
see, he has tweeted, and he has also spoken to me to come back to the Congress. Finally, I am a people's man. I told you, I will do what the people say. Preference of the people is that we join the Congress party.
You will contest
He's
2022
Badya,
election
sir.
from Kurtoria.
Very few days. You have to move very fast.
Reasonable Bab, you will contest from 2022. Reasonable Bab, contest करतो तू 2022 election.
कित्याक?
सांग मरे
कित्याक?
contest करता का म्हणटा
I'm contesting 2022 न्ही.
काँग्रेस ticket.
On a Congress ticket. It's my preference. And I am contesting. See, मुगे कितें जाणटो मरे. Let us go by wishes of the people. Whatever my people will tell me, I will do it. That's it.
Last question. If tomorrow, if you get elected on a Congress ticket and tomorrow BJP forms the government, will you be joining BJP also?
चुकान देखो ना.
ते किती घसमट जालें थिंगा
रिकॉर्ड करून दवरल्या ते
ते रिजन
सगळी क्वेश्चन विचारली तुवें म्हाका तुवें आनी खंयची क्वेश्चन विचारपाक दवरलो न्हय एशी गुडायली तेशी गुडायली एशी गुडायली तेशी गुडायली तेशी गुडायली
टीएमसी
बट एकूच आहा मुगेलें आमी लोकांक सांगत तें आमी करपाचें हें मुगे आहा ताम मत वॉट एवर पीपल सी डोंट बी सरप्रायज सी द डिसिजन वील बी विथ द पीपल इफ द पीपल टेल मी टू डू समथींग आय वील डू इट बिकॉज हेज्या मुखार आनी यू नो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू मेक एनी मोर मिस्टेक्स सो कम बट मे माय डिसिजन वील डिपेंड एंटायरली ऑन द पीपल सारकें एंटायरली यू वील सी इट because what I went through these days I know लोक म्हाका सांगताय बाबा हांव तुजे बारबो आहा म्हाका तूं जायो असेंब्लीन तूं नाल्यार थिंग जावपा ना कित्याक एकलो मनीस कोण पड थिंग झगडटलो कितें सारकें आहा जाल्यार आनी कितें रॉंग चलत जाल्यार काडपाक कापास्ताद आहा ती तूं एकल्याक म्हणटाय ते म्हणय आनी कोणाक कॅपेसिटी आहा म्हण म्हाका एकल्याक आहा म्हणटाय ते बट आय एम नॉट सेयिंग they are talking from my constituency, no? So they Kurdori constituency. They are not talking for other constituencies. आमगे लोक म्हणटा तू एक मनशाक कॅपॅसिटी आहा म्हणटा so I'm exactly on that terms and I don't want to deviate. I don't want to say anything more. I don't want to say. And मुगे एक रिक्वेस्ट आहे मातशें मुगे तोंडा मातशें उतर घाल नाका प्लीज
लोकांक लागून जातलो गिरीश बरो एक्टिन आसलो
You are confident that Congress will take you, but some of them to gain na जाल्यार
see then कितें आहा मरे let us leave it. I will let me take the decision. Once I take the decision I will stick by the decision.